Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn off or disable autocomplete with trending searches on your Android smartphone. So whether Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel or another Android based phone, and then I'll show you how to make modifications. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select the setting gear button on your mobile phone and then tap the settings. And then here now at mobile settings, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to find and locate this Google tile, and then you need to tap again. So here now at Google services, and then you need to select this all services tab and then click. So here now at all services, underneath at settings for Google Apps, and then you need to select this search assistant and voice and then click again. So here at search and settings, and then you need to scroll down again, and then it should be there is an other setting here, and then you need to click this settings. And then here now at other settings, and then you need now to select this autocomplete settings and then click again. So here now at autocomplete settings, then you can see now this autocomplete with trending searches include popular searches in your area. So if you want to turn on or off, so toggle on or off by clicking inside the oval one time. So toggle this button. So you can see now this is grayed out. So that it means it is already turned off or disabled. So if you want to enable, then toggle this button. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.